In this guide, we'll explore Owner-Based RBAC, a feature designed for large organizations where multiple teams work within the same platform. It allows you to fine-tune access to elements within the platform based on the list of owners users can access. Before Owner-Based RBAC, the platform uses organization-wide role-based access. The admin role provides full read and write access to everything, plus administrative actions like managing integrations, IAM settings, and organization configuration. The user role has read and write access to all organization resources, assets, scans, and tickets, but cannot perform admin actions like changing integrations or IAM settings. The reader role offers read-only access to all organization resources, perfect for stakeholders who need visibility without modification rights. The attack surface auditor is a legacy role that already uses owners to manage asset access. This role is deprecated and will be removed soon. The problem with this approach is clear. Everyone sees everything within the organization. There are no team boundaries. In large multi-team environments, this creates noise, confusion, and potential interference between teams. Owner-Based RBAC solves this by adding granular, team-based access control that allows you to scope user access based on their assigned owners. The flow is simple. Owners are assigned to users. Owners control assets like mobile apps, domains, and IP addresses. Scans run on assets. After completion, scans create tickets for discovered vulnerabilities. Access automatically propagates. If you have access to an owner, you automatically access all its assets, scans, and tickets. No manual permission management needed. The system is hierarchical. Owners can have parent-child relationships mirroring your org structure. This creates natural, manageable access patterns while the platform handles complex calculations automatically. When Owner-Based RBAC is enabled, role capabilities change significantly. The admin role remains unchanged with full unrestricted access to everything, bypassing all owner restrictions and retaining the ability to perform administrative actions like managing integrations and IAM settings. The user role now has read and write access limited to assets within their assigned owners, allowing them to initiate scans, manage vulnerabilities, and work with tickets for their owners' resources. However, there's an important caveat. If no owners are assigned to a user, they will have access to all organization resources. Similarly, the reader role provides read-only access to assets within assigned owners and cannot modify anything, but if no owners are assigned, they gain read access to all organization resources. The attack surface auditor is a deprecated legacy role that currently behaves the same as the user role and will be removed in future releases, so it's recommended to use the user role instead. The key distinction to remember is that admins completely ignore owner boundaries, while users and readers respect owner assignments or get full access when no owners are assigned to them. Access flows through a clear, four-step chain that defines how permissions cascade throughout the system. First, owners are assigned to users, establishing the foundation of all access control. Second, these owners control assets such as mobile apps, domains, and IP addresses. Third, scans run on assets, meaning if you have access to an asset, you automatically gain access to all scans performed on it. Fourth, scans generate tickets for discovered vulnerabilities, so accessing a scan grants you access to all its associated tickets as well. There's one important exception to this hierarchy. Standalone tickets, which are created manually without any scan association, remain visible to all users organization-wide regardless of their owner assignments. This design ensures that critical announcements and manual findings reach everyone who needs to see them. This hierarchical structure creates automatic, cascading access that perfectly mirrors real security workflows, eliminating the need for manual permission management at each level. Owners can form hierarchies, parent-child relationships mirroring your org structure. Downward access is key. User assigned to parent owner sees all child owners and their assets. Perfect for managers overseeing multiple teams. User assigned to child owner sees only that child and its assets, not the parent or siblings. This ensures team members stay focused on their scope without seeing unrelated data. Example: assigned to mobile team? You see only mobile assets, not parent engineering or sibling web team. Assigned to engineering parent? You see engineering plus all children, mobile and web teams. This is recursive, grandchildren are visible to grandparents. Build deep org structures with clear access boundaries. Let's walk through a real example of how access propagates automatically. Jane is assigned to the mobile team as an owner. The mobile team manages two assets, the banking app and the payment app. Because of her team role, Jane automatically gains access to both assets. When scans are run, one on the banking app, scan 1 2 3 4 5, and another on the payment app, scan 1 2 3 4 6, Jane can view both results, since they belong to assets her team controls. The scans reveal vulnerabilities, SQL injection in XSS in the banking app, and weak cryptography in the payment app. Jane automatically has access to all three vulnerability tickets. From a single team assignment, she gains access to 7 connected resources, the team itself, 2 assets, 2 scans, and 3 vulnerability tickets. The entire chain of access flows naturally from user to team, to assets, to scans, to tickets, no manual permission management required. To activate Owner-Based RBAC, start by clicking the menu button on the top left side of the screen. Then locate Settings in the menu. And click on Organization. Scroll down until you find the toggle for Enable Object Level Access Control. If the toggle is off, the platform will use the legacy mode where all users see all resources within the organization. If you turn the toggle on, it will activate the new Owner-Based RBAC system, filtering all queries by owner assignments and enabling the owner assignment interface. In this guide, we explored Owner-Based RBAC, a powerful feature designed for large organizations with multiple teams working on the same platform. We saw how it provides granular, team-based access control that eliminates the noise and confusion of everyone seeing everything.